Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a detailed review of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, the latest iteration of Insta360's premium action camera lineup. With its 8K video capabilities, rugged design, and intelligent features, this camera is perfect for adventurers, filmmakers, and content creators. Let's explore its features and performance in detail. Design and build quality. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 features a compact and durable design. Dimensions: 2.8 by 2.1 by 1.5 inches. Weight: 6.3 ounces, approximately 180 grams, making it lightweight and portable. Build: rugged construction with water resistance up to 39 feet, 20 meters, without a dive case, and up to 196 feet, 60 meters with the dive case accessory. Display: includes a 2.5-inch flip-up LED touchscreen on the rear and a 1-inch digital display on the front. The camera's robust design ensures it can withstand extreme conditions, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. Camera quality. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 delivers exceptional imaging performance. Sensor: one 1.3-inch 8K sensor co-engineered with Leica for superior image quality. Lens: Leica Summit lens with an f2.6 aperture, capturing more light for enhanced clarity. Resolution: supports video recording in 8K at 30 fps, 5.7K at 60 fps, and 4K at 120 fps for slow motion playback. Photo quality: captures still images in 50 megapixels, 37 megapixels, 12.5 megapixels, or 9 megapixel resolutions. Stabilization: features a 6-axis gyroscope for smooth and stable footage. These specifications make the Ace Pro 2 a powerhouse for capturing high-quality video and photos in various environments. Performance. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is designed to deliver top-tier performance. Battery life: powered by an 1800 mAh battery, providing 30 to 45 minutes of continuous recording. Supports rapid charging, replenishing the battery in just 47 minutes with the fast charger. Storage: includes a micro SD slot that supports cards up to 1 terabytes, ensuring ample space for high-resolution footage. Operating temperature: functions reliably in temperatures ranging from 20 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius, 113 degrees Fahrenheit. The combination of long battery life and robust storage options makes it a dependable choice for extended shoots. AI-powered features. The Ace Pro 2 is equipped with advanced AI technologies. HDR mode: built-in HDR for enhanced dynamic range in 8K video. Gesture and voice control: allows hands-free operation for starting and stopping recordings. Pre-recording and loop recording: ensures you never miss a moment, even in unpredictable scenarios. These intelligent features enhance the camera's versatility and ease of use. Connectivity. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 offers versatile connectivity options. Ports: USB-C for charging and data transfer. Wireless features: supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for seamless pairing with smartphones and other devices. Live streaming: enables real-time broadcasting in high resolution. These connectivity features ensure smooth operation and integration with various platforms. User experience. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is designed for simplicity and convenience. Setup: quick and intuitive setup with a user-friendly interface. Software integration: compatible with Insta360's app for editing, sharing, and managing content. Durability: rugged build quality ensures reliability in extreme conditions. The camera's straightforward interface makes it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. Price and value. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is priced at $399 US, offering excellent value for its premium features and versatile capabilities. At this price point, it competes with top-tier action cameras, delivering high-resolution imaging, advanced stabilization, and AI-powered tools in a robust, portable design. Whether you're an adventure seeker capturing breathtaking landscapes or a filmmaker creating cinematic content, the Ace Pro 2 strikes an ideal balance between performance and affordability. Its advanced technology and durable build make it a worthwhile investment for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Conclusion. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is a feature-packed action camera that combines advanced imaging technology, intelligent features, and a rugged design. Whether you're an adventurer, filmmaker, or content creator, this camera offers everything you need to capture stunning footage in any environment. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.